Good morning.
Good morning.
It is cruise day. We're heading out shortly on our Montreal to Boston cruise. If you can't tell, we're a little loopy this morning, and it's not that early. I don't know why. The coffee hasn't kicked in or something, maybe.
Well, we walked 7 miles yesterday.
That's true.
Something to do with it.
We did spend the day here yesterday in Montreal, touring Old Town. Delightful area to tour around, lots to see, even without paying any admission fees. We saw a lot of stuff. Anyway, shortly we're heading off to get on board the Oceania Insignia, not the Sienna.
Not the Sienna.
And we'll touch base later.
Okay. Bye. So we're on the Oceania Insignia, room 452.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's tight in here. We'll do a quick tour.
We've got plenty of hanging space, long hanging space. Life jackets are hiding up there. And then on this side, we have a safe. I don't think you'd get a full-size laptop in there.
Small
tablet,
one.
though. Short hanging space, or we're using it to pile sweaters because this is a cooler weather cruise. Drawers. Opposite that is the bathroom.
Turn the light on for you. The sister ship to the Nautica. The bathroom is tight, but we found we didn't really have any problems in here. It's got shower doors rather than a curtain. There is a clothesline up here for drying. I already used it for a shirt.
Over here we have mini fridge, which, as with Oceania across the fleet, is stocked with soft drinks. We put a bottle of the water in there to get cold overnight so we can fill our jugs.
One thing Oceania does is they provide reusable water bottles, and you can take them home with you, and they restock this filtered water every day. It's you can't read it very well, but barrel water.
This corner cabinet, we've shoved a lot of bits and bobs and stuff in there.
Drawers.
There's 3 drawers here, and then of course the long one, which I think probably everybody throws paperwork in.
Yeah, probably.
And then
Magazines on the end that they're catalogs.
Oh yeah. And then over here we have a sitting area. There are 2 US plugs, European, 2 USBs. Bring that adapter because
Well, here, if you want to not use a USB over here, there's only the European plug. So if you have like a watch or something that needs a MagSafe, you won't be able to use the USB-A. There's a reading lamp here and a lamp.
TV. We've got it on the bridge cam. And then we've got an ocean view for this one.
We opted for this on this trip because it's a cooler weather trip, and we're going to be out and about every day anyway.
So, and then yeah, on both sides of the bed, the 3-drawer little cabinet, and same setup with plugs on this side.
And this bed, there's the ability to split it. I know that you could wanted it split in half for whatever reason to share a cabin. You could do that.
So yeah, nice little cabin. It'll be great for this trip. We're in Quebec City today, and are going to head out pretty soon and see the sights.
Bye.